All right. So my question to the audience is that for how many interview failures you can actually handle your situation? 5 interview failures, 10 interview failures, 12 interview failures. What is the maximum kind count on which you can actually go ahead and you can grab more things in your life? So today I have a very special person from the Massive Hikers community, and her name is Shri Vaishnavi. So Shri Vaishnavi is one of the persons after getting into 18 to 20 failures back to back, back to back, back to back in her journey. She was able to crack the offer letters. She was able to get multiple opportunities from multiple organizations. And she has gone from like more than 100, 150% hike in her journey. So let's welcome Shri in a very amazing manner, and let's come here live and let's share your story with every single person. Hi, Shri.
Hi Saurav, hi team, hi community, hi everyone. It's very
Wow,
good interacting with you.
great. Super powerful. And Shri, first of all, I would like you to share your results. Like, what was your earlier CTC? What was your earlier package? And now, what is the maximum offer you're holding in your hand? What are your results? And then we'll get into the process and how you were able to do it and all those things.
Currently, I'm working with Cognizant and I'm working for SAP ABAP Technology.
Okay.
And my current package is 3.83.
Mm-hmm.
And I would like to share my quick story that I'm able to reach 10 lakhs of package from 3.83, which is a very good hike for me.
Wow.
And I would like to share my quick story with you.
Mm-hmm.
I have attended many interviews, like around 20 to 30 interviews.
Okay.
Uh, there are failures which I have experienced, and those are not failures; those are experiences from which I have learned many things.
Correct.
And everyone should have those like experiences.
Yes,
Once you have
absolutely.
experience,
Because failure is one of the things which can actually make us powerful.
yes, more
Mhm.
powerful. And after joining the community, like I learned many things from you people, like from Saurav and from the community as well. And each one in the community have me also. Like I would mention Sujaya. She contacted me and she asked me that she will be referring my resume, and she referred me for the other people as well. Like I would like to thank her.
That's what the
Each
family
one is
kind of
helping.
environment we have.
Yes, we are there to help each other, and we grow by helping each other.
True, that is amazing. So, Shri, one of the major pointers, like it is very wonderful that you have gone from 3.83 lakhs of package to like crossing 10 lakhs of package. So, first of all, what was your major pain point? What was the point which you were struggling before joining the Massive Hikers community, and which you were feeling that, okay, this is my major roadblock in the journey?
First thing is like I'm not getting very much calls. Like hardly 1 2 I'll be getting before joining the community. Then
Hardly one
after
or two calls
joining
in month or in a week.
in a month, in a month.
Okay.
Then after joining the community, uh, like I got many calls. I just can't count. Like there are many calls and interviews which I have attended, and I used to schedule along with the process as well. Like along with my
Right.
current job as well, I used to attend the interviews and I cleared many.
Hmm.
And I cleared around I attended around 20 30 interviews, like in which I could clear 7 8 or 10 hardly. But
Okay.
it's good, like those other are experiences for me. and
Absolutely.
uh, and
Fine.
I got the
That was your first biggest point, but you were
yes,
struggling.
yes.
What is the second point, or what is the third point which you were struggling earlier?
I don't feel like before joining the community I was not that much confident,
Okay.
like that I can crack the interview. After joining the community, I interacted with many people. I
Hmm.
got to know that confidence, I build up my confidence.
True.
I i now also I feel like more confident.
Hmm.
Even if
Yes,
I
I
could
can see
not
that
clear
confidence.
one, I can clear other.
Yes. Hmm.
It's the second point which I could say that I have learned.
And what is the
And
third major pain point what you were going across?
pain point, like these are the things, like two things I have learned. And third point is like we have to organize our resume. We
Hmm.
have to follow some tips,
Okay.
because before interacting with a person, the first thing which gives a big picture of a person is profile. So profile has to be in a very good format.
Correct.
Profile format things I have changed my format and which could help me to get more interview calls. Like I used to, now also I'll be getting more calls for a week. I'll be getting 5-6 interview calls.
Wow, that is
Which
like
I could schedule and attend.
wow,
Which I
that is
could
one of the
schedule.
biggest things because people are not even getting 2, 3, 4 calls in a month, and you are able to get some 5 calls in every single
Yes.
week. So that is what, that is what the things what people get after a lot of efforts, after a lot of hard work, after a lot of backstory is there, right? Okay.
Yes.
So these were the three things what you were struggling before joining the community. Fine. So now I'll pick on, like I have a couple of things for you. So रिजल्ट्स हो गया आपका, हमने 3 पेन पॉइंट्स ले लिया, आपने डोमेन अपना बता दिया. ओके. सो ऑलराइट, सो श्री, व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट व्हाट वाज द डिफरेंशिएटिंग पॉइंट व्हेन यू एंटर इनसाइड द कम्युनिटी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हेन डिड यू जॉइन? आई थिंक लाइक व्हाट वाज द मंथ व्हेन यू जॉइन द कम्युनिटी?
July.
July. And like when you were able to get your first success?
October.
October. So it was
Yes.
around okay, it was around 30 like 3 months, right?
3 months of time.
So
Yes.
within 3 months, you were able to do that particular thing.
Yes.
So that is wonderful because, and for how many long years and how many long months you were actually struggling to get that first breakthrough?
I struggled for almost 2 years, like to take the first offer. 2 years,
Wow.
like I was waiting. I was able to clear, but I don't get to my hand.
Okay. Correct. Wow. So that is what is supremely powerful. And first of all, many, many congratulations from me as well as the entire Massive Hike community that you have been able to produce those massive results in your journey. And I'm very much sure that you, as well as your parents, your family, would be equally happy along with
Yes.
your results. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. So after joining into the community, Shri, what is the difference you feel? Like, what is the first point you observed after becoming part of the Massive Hike formula? The
First thing
first
I
thing.
observed from the community and you is a being confident and being patient.
Okay.
These are the two things which we have to learn, and we will be feeling more happy.
True, correct. Because everything is part of the process. You are
Yes.
applying, because a lot of people I've seen, Shri, that when people start getting into the community, when people start actually working on the things, like they try to find that, okay, I'll be getting results within 3 weeks. I'll be getting results within 2 weeks. I'll be getting like how other people are getting. A lot of people are there. You must have seen like they're joining the community. They're getting results within 1 month, within 3 weeks, within 2 weeks. Okay. But a lot of people, like they start thinking that if other people are getting in 2 weeks or 3 weeks or within just 10 days, why I am not getting those things? So you raised a very good point that patience has to be the key factor. And like it is the process. For some people it can take 1.5 months, for some people it
Correct.
can take 6 weeks, but you need to understand, you need to learn, and you need to be consistent with your process.
Correct.
That's a wonderful point you have said. Second thing, like I know that you would have like loved the Massive Egg formula, the structure, the content, and all those things. It has helped you in your journey. And what would you like to add to those things? Like how community helped you, the entire Massive Egg family. We have like thousands of people into it. How they have helped you in order to achieve your goal?
The videos which you have made are very helpful.
Okay.
See, we have to blindly do the things, then we will automatically get the success. We just don't want to think like that. We have to either, if I do this, if I'll be getting this or not. We should not think like that. We should have to follow that process
Mm-hmm.
without thinking of something like, will I get it? If we follow the process, we'll automatically get the result. We should not wait for the result. We just have to follow the process.
Wow.
And the videos which you have given, like I have gone through every video and I've made the points as well, and I have the book, separate book which I maintain for that.
That is, do you have that book? Do you have the diary right
Yes.
now with you?
Yes, I have. I have with me everything I wrote.
Oh, that is really empowering for me, and because it
And
shows that
I wrote like queries also, which I could ask you in the live session. Also, I made the note. Initially, I was going through very much pain. See, I could show you the book which I have. Like Europol Zoom sessions also, I used to note. I note that I have that. Even
wow.
for the live sessions also, I have maintained, like I reverse the note the points which I could which could be helpful for me.
Mm-hmm.
Even the videos which you have already uploaded in the portal also I have gone through.
Wow, super amazing. And I actually got very much touched after seeing your notes, because it is very, we when we get into the jobs, when we get into like colleges, and when we come out of our schools, we end this habit of writing down and taking
Yes.
notes and pens and papers, and we feel that it was the activity of kids, or it was the activity of children.
No.
But it actually like proves a very much result oriented for us. I always have my diary with me, and this is what something which can actually make a big difference.
Yes, we will be thinking like you'll be telling in the sessions itself, right? Like I will be noting everything when something get to my mind and I go through it. That is
Correct.
the best thing. When we write, no, we'll get the clarity. If we think in the mind, we'll not get that much clarity. We will write. We will answer ourselves. We
Wow.
have to put answer for ourselves.
Absolutely. And that clarity of mind and clarity of ideas and clarity of execution is very much important.
Yes.
Super amazing. So, with every single minute, every single second, this particular call and this particular discussion is getting more interesting as you are
Deeper.
showcasing, that
Yes.
you are
Yes.
actually
Yes.
like showcasing people that how they can actually do it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Uh, One more thing is coming on top of my head, that Shri, you have been into like 3 years of experience you had. You were already working into a one good organization. Okay. So what was the thing? What was the point which was stopping you at the biggest point, at the biggest level? Like you were trying, you were saying that I've been trying for last 1.5, 2 years. I was not getting the breakthrough. I was not getting the offer letter. I was not getting any success. So what was the thing when, what came on top of your mind when this Corona and pandemic happened in March 2020? What do you started realizing at that point of time, that, okay, now how will I be able to do it, and how will things move further?
Yes, I went to that situation, and because during the corona, we didn't get any amount of calls.
Mm-hmm.
We got very less opportunities, and there are also less opportunities as per my knowledge. But
Okay.
after joining the community, I saw your video in the Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
Like you mentioned, like some guy has reached from this percentage of hike to that percentage of hike during this corona time.
Correct.
Like when I attended the first session, even before joining the community, also I was thinking, will it be helpful? Now I truly say that it is 100% helpful. 100, not 200, I could say. I feel more confident. I could find someone who could share my pain, and I could get the answer for it.
Mm-hmm.
That's the best thing.
Wow,
Best thing
that
I
is
could
super
say.
amazing. And that was a, see, when people get results, when the hikers like you get amazing, phenomenal results, and when you feel, like you get that feeling that yes, we have someone to guide,
Yes.
someone for support, and someone for sharing each and everything. It like it feels like worth it, because when
And the, and the
I was
answers
struggling in
you which
my
you
journey.
give and the
Mhm.
answers which you give are like very apt. Like I feel that it is 100% suitable for me. The answers which I get from you.
Correct. See, that is the only one reason. A lot of people ask this thing to me. Even my friends, some of my close friends who know what I am doing, and I have a community and all these things. They ask me one thing, that sort of how do you answer? Like you take the live sessions with your members and you keep on sitting with 3 hours, 4 hours. You get multiple, like in even in one session, you get 70, 80, 90, hundreds of questions. How do you answer them on the spot, and how can you relate with so many people at the same time? This is what my friends and my like cousins and all those people ask me, and I just have one answer to them, that I actually love my work. I actually feel like whatever Shri is asking, whatever Vidya is asking, whatever Aniket is asking, or whatsoever people they are asking, I actually start realizing that I am Shri, or I am Aniket, or I am Vidya, or I am Dimesh, and I like give you answers based on that scenario. I put myself in your foot, and then like things started coming on top of my mind. So that is one of the blessed thing what
And
I
you
can
share
say.
the life story of yourself also, like why you have decided to start the community. You have shared your story as well, like
Correct, correct.
even you'll be telling like some tips how to take this community forward.
Hmm. Yes,
Like the
absolutely.
interview tips, like interview questions we have, like see, for different technologies there are different sheets which you have created where we could put the question and
Correct.
answer which that sharing is a very good thing. Like we can share the experiences of each other.
That's how we
We
can
learn.
actually grow and we can help multiple people.
Yes.
So now I'll be just asking you, like, what is your biggest advice for all of the viewers and all of the people who are live with us? And what do you think is one of the biggest things, like what they can follow and what they can actually go through?
Take up the failures as experiences and
Okay.
try to attend more interviews. Like fear is some something not which is stopping us. We can take experiences and we can achieve more. We have to have failures to grow.
Wow.
That's the one thing.
Super amazing. So it has been really wonderful interacting with you, sharing your things, sharing your backstory, how you were able to do it, how, like, what was the pain points, what were the failures. We see this is one of the like hard things. People are afraid of sharing their failures. People are afraid of sharing their low points in their life. And you have, like, how you have told your story, how you have told your things. It is really empowering. And I believe that it is going to help multiple hundreds of people and thousands of people would be
Yes.
watching this.
We can do it. We can do it.
Yes,
If not today,
absolutely.
tomorrow we will get it.
Absolutely. So great, Shri. Many more congratulations. And in this new year, you will be going and you will be empowering much more results. Thank you so much.